transfer is now officially open.
Encourage everyone to eat healthy organic vegetables every day. So our role is to make sure that we do the farm-to-table model. So we air freight everything from Cebu, and we partner with Efficient Courier. So we have 2 deliveries every week. So this is to make sure that we can supply you your weekly requirement of your fresh vegetables.
Alright, wow! Now we have here a sample of specialty lettuce that is grown hydroponically. But it's organically, so you can grow it organically but using the hydroponic system. And then we have other kinds of vegetables like iba-ibang klaseng pepper. Ang pepper po, may tinatawag na panigang, may chili, may super chili talaga. Tapos pati ang mga pepper, then bell pepper. Essentially, ang pait o ang lasa ng lettuce ay depende sa variety na tinatanim nyo. Ngayon yung sistema ay ang pagpalaki. Yung nagkakaiba. So, for example, sa hydroponics, kontrolado mo ang sistema mo in such a way na ang production mo mas consistent sa mga buyers mo. So, kung open field ka, ayan, mula na bumagyo pagkain kasi sisira ang lettuce. Habang pag hydroponically, usually yung iba, may greenhouse din para tuloy-tuloy ang production.